Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back. I'm glad to see you tuning in again. Okay, what is my today's project? Well, I was thinking I can't just make journals, I also have to work in those journals I made. So today I'm gonna play in this handmade journal, which is a Japanese stamp binding for those who are interested. And I did use grocery bags. While I was staying at my friend's house, I made this journal actually. So I was thinking I'm gonna play a little bit in this journal. It's gonna be sort of an abstract art journal page. And certainly not gonna do something here because it's framing the bag and hanging it on the wall, reusing and recycling. I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm not gonna cover up that. So let's see where I'm gonna play. Not in this one for what I have planned. That's actually another play session we had with tape and paint and whatnot. I do see a face in this one. Oh, that could work. I do want to keep the heart. What else we have? Well, that's, yeah. I think I'm going to work in this page, on this page. So, and I do have a protective thingy here. Plastic sheet, which is actually a table mat. And I also do have like old book pages, project that didn't work out the way I have envisioned it. So, and roll of papers. So, but I want a black background that I know, because I want to go in either with a white gel pen or with the Poscapen. I want to add some doodling afterwards. That's the idea so far. So I'm gonna first start with some black gesso, and I'm gonna use my silicone brush and cover up this page more or less completely. I'm gonna leave actually a border here. No rhyme, no reason, I'm just feeling I want to leave a border there now. And I'm gonna cover up everything here. I'm gonna use the heat tool to dry it off, and then I will be back. Okay, my page is dry again. The fold from the bag is still there, but I don't worry about that. Now I want to use, this is actually on a heavy watercolor paper, and I want to use strips of it, but on the other thing I don't want it so thick for a collage, so I'm gonna try if I can split it up. I really don't want it too heavy for gluing down, and it looks like I can do it. Okay, nice. So that way it is much easier to glue down. Having a textile background, I want to weave some elements in here, so that's a page which obviously had some water damage. I'm gonna take pieces of that. Just gonna make me some strips, and I'm gonna stay in the bluish color mostly. Oh, there's on both sides. I actually like this blue here. I'm just ripping some strips right now, and then I'm gonna decide how I'm gonna weave it. There's too much red here, I don't want that. I mean, a tiny little bit of warm colors is okay, but it should be mainly cool colors. And I start with about a 1/4 inch or 1 centimeter wide stripes, and sometimes they get wider, sometimes they get smaller. But I do get rid of the white parts. And that's a really small one, I think. Why not? I also need some shorter ones. Okay, let's see what I can come up with. Okay, now the challenge is going to be to glue that, and I actually think I do have like I do have this glitter glue which has sort of a small tip, so I can go underneath. And looking at that, I kind of feeling this one is a little bit too wide. That's smaller. So sometimes going looking for stuff and coming back makes you see what's wrong with your arrangement. So I think I like that better. Now I have to weave it in again. Yeah, that's better. Okay. I'm gonna remove it from my background here and just gonna glue it together in certain spots. Here we go. Now for the rest I'm gonna use the glue stick. Now I want to go in with a little bit of doodling. And I think I'm gonna do flowers. The main reason why I wanted to have black gesso is so that I can add white doodles. Okay, that was a fun little abstract art journal page in one of my handmade art journals from grocery bags. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and I hope to see you soon again. Take care, bye!